All right. Good morning, everyone. This is Coach Williams. I'm back with another video, and what I'm talking to us today about is pulling off if we interacting with emergency vehicles and emergency personnel. So the first thing I want to talk about is what we're required by law to do if we have we see an emergency vehicle, or you hear an emergency vehicle approaching you from the rear. You're required by law to pull off to the side. In the state of Missouri, you're required by law to pull off the edge of the road or pull off to the side and to stop. And to do that, if you're in the car and you're driving, you need to signal first. Then you would, signal your intentions and kind of communicate what you're, hey, I'm moving out of your way or whatever. And then you want to signal, and then you want to start moving over to the right, gradually moving over to the right. You check your right mirror, or you check your, what we call your blind spot, and then we'll slide off the road to the side and stop. And when I'm saying an emergency vehicle, let me define that. A vehicle is considered an emergency vehicle when they have the red and blue lights showing. They have the red and blue lights flashing, or the red, white, and blue lights flashing. So those are considered an emergency vehicle. It could be a tow truck, it could be some type of ambulance, or it could be obviously a police type vehicle. So once you get off to the edge of the road, you want to just stop and you want to let them pass. Okay, now if they're approaching you from the oncoming traffic side, then if the road is not divided, you got the same requirements. Pull over to the right and stop. Okay, so you want to make sure that you do that, because you don't know exactly where they're going. It could be a fire rescue vehicle. Maybe they might want to turn into a driveway right in front of you, so you don't know. So that's why they require you to pull off to the road and stop. All right, that's the first scenario dealing with the emergency vehicles. And if you have any questions, or you have any information you want to share, or you have any disagreements, I welcome that. So you can just you can let me know in the comments. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel.